Hello everybody and welcome back to another update vlog here at Universal. Now hopefully you read the title, but in case you didn't, we have a lot to check out today. It's sort of a general update of the park where we're gonna start off by riding E.T. with the pre-show. Yes, that's right, the pre-show is back and I'm so glad to see it. Like, all the pre-shows have come back in one way or another since the parks have reopened from the pandemic, but E.T. has been the one that has not come back until now, so I'm very excited for that. Not only that, but Earl the Squirrel. Yes, I've talked about him before so much on the channel, but Earl the Squirrel is here at the character meet and greet. That is exciting. So we have a lot to do today. Let's get going and start this fun-filled episode. So the first thing I'm gonna do is actually hop into the tribute store right over there just to check up on some of the new merch real quick. And here's where Earl the Squirrel actually was meeting for meet and greets when they first revealed him. Now I believe he's over by the front of the park, so we're gonna have to work our way back up towards the front to do that. Okay, but here we go into the tribute store now. And I do love how now it's pretty much practically empty every time I come in, since the opening day crowd for the holidays has sort of seen it now, and I could just take as much time as I want in here. And here is actually why I came. Nice Earl the Squirrel tree farm hat. $27 it looks like. Yep, you're coming home with me. That crazy song from the Goblet of Fire is playing. And well, I bought the hat. $27 well spent. Any money to go towards Earl is money well spent. I tell you, I've spent so much money towards this one squirrel. All worth it though. All right, let's go find that squirrel and then ride E.T. Now hold on, I keep forgetting to do it, but Earl, not the meet and greet Earl that I was telling you about, but like a little puppet Earl, actually is hiding up in the tree and I keep forgetting to look for him. Hold on, I see him. You see him right there at the tip of my finger? There's Earl. All right, now let's work our way back towards the front. I feel there should be a squirrel here. So, Earl isn't out right now, and I don't know who to ask if he'll be out today. There's not an attendant out here like he's gonna come out, but okay, so I just asked a team member if Earl will be out today, and it's kind of funny because he was out here with the snowman back there, and instead of going up to take a picture with the snowman, I basically just cut the line and went up and asked the team member when a different character would be out meeting. Oh, and I almost forgot the best part. They said that Earl was out earlier, just a couple minutes ago. I just missed him, it sounds like, but he should be out later today. Hopefully, let's hope that he is, because from the sounds of it, sounds like we're golden. So I hope that that is the case. We're not completely for the L today, but let's go visit our friend E.T. and see if he'll say her name, because how cool would that be? Okay, this is it. Well, let's head on in, and hopefully we'll see the pre-show and have E.T. say her name. This is a big moment. I've waited far too long for this to come back. Let's do it. The doors are actually closed. It's official. The pre-show is back.
Hello, I'm Steven Spielberg, and it's my pleasure to welcome you to the E.T. adventure. But I'm afraid we don't have much time, so I'm going to cut right to the chase. E.T. needs your help. Now, we've just received an urgent message from E.T.'s teacher, Botanicus, calling for E.T. to come home right away. E.T. must go home, and only you can help him.
Even
E.T.
trouble.
That's right, E.T. So why don't you show these people how we're going to get you back to the green planet? You and E.T. will be making your 3 million light year journey on these bikes, but don't worry, you don't have to pedal. But you will need an interplanetary passport.
Goodbye, Lincoln, Grandma, friend, Kim, Zane, Emma,
we just talk for a second? I've now taken 2 L's today. Oh gosh. E.T. didn't say my name. I was the only one on my bike. He should have said my name, but didn't. He, I guess my name got mixed up with another ride vehicle because he listed a bunch of names, but none of them were the ones that I was on. So, okay. Man, I might rewrite again later. I don't know. See if he'll actually say my name. Still exciting that names are back on the ride when you tell the attendant your name and then E.T. will speak it later. Even though he didn't say my name, still cool that that is back. So here's something I didn't expect to report today, but Kids on Pizza is actually open. This place is never open during the regular season. It's normally just during like Mardi Gras and Halloween Horror Nights. So that's really awesome to see. And okay, screw it. I'm gonna just go on E.T. again. He better say my name this time, I swear.
Goodbye, Luis, Elias, Ethan, Maria, George, Fernando, Juan, Leanne, Steve.
Alright, say it with me now, E.T. Alex. For the second time in a row, he completely ignored me and didn't say my name. Oh gosh, he said it like everyone else's name except mine. So next thing we're gonna do, I mean, as you know, Shrek 4D is closing for good in January. They released these like farewell t-shirts in the Yield souvenir shop at the exit, and I want to go see if they have the goodbye t-shirts any left, because I heard a rumor that they were all out except for like size smalls, and that's not gonna cut it. We cannot have 3 L's today. So let's go visit the store. Not sure I'm gonna do the show, but we're just gonna cut right through the store and see if they still have any in stock. Okay, so I just asked a team member at the register in there and they said they're all out. He didn't give me a straight answer if they were gonna be getting any more back in stock. Let's hope so. Oh, look at that now. We got the penguins of Madagascar right over here, and then Alex the lion, all from Madagascar, way down there. Oh, and also Gloria as well. You know, I always wonder, where is Rico when the penguins are meeting? Isn't he like always the one missing? We got Private, Skipper, and Kowalski, but then never Rico. I don't know, just something I noticed. And then way down there you got Alex and Gloria as well from the Madagascar films. We've made our way back to the spot and still no squirrel. Now this is like a Velocicoaster all over again. When that was still in like the testing phase before it opened, I don't know if you guys remember on the channel, but I spent like the entire day just sitting in one spot waiting for it to test. It was about over a year ago, a little over a year ago, and it's just like that now here today, just waiting for them to bring back out Earl. But I'm not leaving without a picture with them. You mark my words. They actually did just release this new Happy Holiday merch for Universal Studios Florida. Very nice, actually. There's something new that we haven't seen since the parks have shut down to the pandemic. Hey, how have you been?
Me? Still dead.
Oh my gosh, people, hold on. Could it be possible? Could it be real? Oh, let's get a better look and see if my eyes haven't deceived me. It is real, everyone. It's Earl the Squirrel. Oh my gosh. Guys, I did it. I met the squirrel. You could probably see him back there over the bushes, but went up to him in this hat, this Earl shirt. Really showed my Earl fandom for this character, and I haven't really announced it on the channel yet, but I feel like now should be as good a time as any to do it. I'm actually creating a fully animated Earl the Squirrel like TV special. It'll be like in the style of like a TV special, but it will be uploaded here on the channel, and it's gonna be a fully 2D animated short film about Earl the Squirrel. So stay tuned for that. More information will be out soon. It'll be all about Earl, and I will be done with it sometime in 2022. Very excited to share it with you guys at long last, because I've already put and dumped hours into it, and it's shaping up to be really awesome. Well, everyone, there we go. Another successful day from Universal Studios. I had a blast, honestly. I didn't really ride much because the holiday crowds are here in full swing, and it is definitely very packed inside. But I did ride E.T. twice, and still, he did not say my name. In case I didn't make that clear, he said everyone else's name on my bike, but not mine. Other than that, I did also meet Earl, which was also very cool because the fan service for him is just incredible. The fact that in just over a year, they actually made him a full walk-around character other than just all the merch that they have for him. Because I did get this fancy new hat, and I've had the t-shirt since my last visit here. So just, it's incredible the amount of fan service that has been centered around this one character. I'll put a card up where you could watch my video that I made last year about who Earl the Squirrel truly is and what he means to the park. But I mean, other than that, hopefully you were entertained by my little visit out to the park. It's a short visit. We will be back out very soon for more holiday offerings around the resort. But with all that being said, guys, if you're new around, be sure to subscribe to ParkTwister, like the video for more if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. My name is Alex, and hopefully you remember my name better than ET does. I'll see you guys around.
We'll be right back.